Look at mark. Today I am going to be explain class 2nd maths chapter 2 exercise 2.1 first problem. Solve the following problems. Solve the following problems. Solve the following problems. Solve the following problems. Okay. Textbook page number 38. Textbook page number 38. Okay. Now look at here. What is the first question? There are 34 ducks and 42 cows on a farm. How many animals are there on the farm? So given data is. So I am writing the first solution on our textbook page number 38. First solution, given data is. Given data is 34 ducks are present in a farm. 34 ducks are present in a farm. 34 ducks are present in a farm. This is given data. Similarly, given that 42 cows are present in a farm. Similarly, how much given? 42 cows. Similarly, 42 cows are present in a farm. Present in a farm. What we have to calculate? What is the given condition? There are 34 ducks and 42 cows on a farm. How many animals are there on the farm? You have to be calculate total number of animals in a farm. Total number of animals. Total number of animals. Total number of animals present in a farm. Present in a farm. So you have to do the addition, right? So you are calculating the total number of animals which are present in a farm. So what is the number given here? 34. And next one is what? 42. So do the addition. This is addition, right? So you have to place the positive sign, that is plus symbol. 4 plus 2, how much? 6. 4 plus 3, how much? 7. So what is the answer we got? 76. So final result is what now? Overall 76 animals. 76 animals are there in a farm. Are there in a farm or present in a farm. Okay now. Overall, how many animals are present here? 76 animals are present in a farm. Once again I am repeating. Given data is 34 ducks are present in a farm. Similarly, 42 cows are present in a farm. We have to calculate total number of animals which are present in a farm. So that is 34 plus 42 equals to 76. Overall, 76 animals are there in a farm. Okay. I am going to be explain next problem. Look at our next second question is. Next, on Saturday, second solution. On Saturday, Tarun read 45 pages. On Sunday, he read 37 pages more. How many pages did he read? So, Tarun read. What is the given data, Nana? Given data. Tarun read 45 pages. 45 pages read by Tarun. Read గాని చదవొద్దు, ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీటెడ్ కాబట్టి రెడ్ స్పెల్లింగ్ మాత్రం సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. 45 pages read by Tarun. 45 pages read by Tarun on Saturday. On Saturday. Okay. Similarly, Tarun read 37 pages more on Sunday. Similarly, he read ఇక్కడ he అంటే ఎవరు? తరుణ్. He read 37 37 pages on Sunday. On Sunday. Okay, now this is a given data. 45 pages read by Tarun on Saturday. Similarly, he read 37 pages on Sunday. How many pages did he read? Total number of pages. ఎంత మాత్రం చదివింటాను 2 days Saturday plus Sunday కలిసి how many pages he has been read? Total number of pages. Total number of pages read by Tarun. Total number of pages read by Tarun on Saturday and Sunday is. On Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday is. What we have to do? You have to perform addition. What is the addition here? 45 plus what is the number given here? 37. So do the addition. What is the answer you will get now? 7 plus 5. How much? 12. So 2 down, 1 carry. 2 down, 1 carry. 4 plus 3 how much? 7. 7 plus 1 how much? 8. What is the answer now? 82. That means total pages read by Tarun is equals to 82. So overall 82 pages read by Tarun on Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday and Sunday. Okay, this is the relevant answer you got for the second problem. Is it clear now? Next, go for the third problem. Next, third problem is same textbook page number 38 Nana. Textbook page number 38. Third solution is Mona had 28 bangles and Sona had 36 bangles. How many bangles were there in all? Overall గా వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్న bangles ఎన్నో మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, given data number of bangles present near Mona is equals to 28. Okay na, number of bangles present near Mona is equals to 28. Next, Sona had 36 bangles. So given data is number of bangles present near Sona is equals to how much? 36 bangles were present near Sona. 36 bangles అనేటివి సోనా దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి, 28 bangles ఏమో మోనా దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి. ఓవరాల్ bangles, total number of bangles present near Mona and Sona is equals to near Mona and Sona equals to ఏం చేయాలి మనం? అడిషన్ చేయాలి కదా. సో 28 plus 36. So do the addition ana. 8 plus 6 how much? 14. 4 down, 1 carry. 3 plus 2 how much? 5. 5 plus 1 how much? 6. So what is the answer? 64. ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయాలి మనం? How many bangles were there in all? 64 bangles were there in total. Total number of bangles is equals to total number of bangles is equals to 64. So 64 is the answer. Is it clear now? Number of bangles present near Mona equals to 28. Number of bangles present near Sona equals to 38. Total number of bangles present near Mona and Sona is 28 plus 36. What is the answer? 64. Therefore, total number of bangles is equals to 64. Okay, no. 1, 2, 3. 3 problems. Copy down in the textbook as well as in the classwork book.